Good afternoon. We are the Jadco Safety Dashboard and Storage Rack Design Team. Our sponsor is Jadco Manufacturing, who is a manufacturer of abrasion and impact-resistant steel products. Our problem was Jadco has a lack of comprehensive safety documents, which leads to a lack of safety training documents and ambiguity among workers. And our goal was to create a dynamic dashboard for the processes and safety and the redesign of a material handling equipment rack to improve organization and safety.
Our approach consisted of meetings with clients, the use of risk matrices, 5S, and continuous improvement feedback loops. The results ended up being a dynamic dashboard that changed based on selections made and a new rack that will be made by Jadco for use in their welding department.
In the short term, we recommend for Jadco to use the safety dashboard in the welding department for current and future employees, as well as building the designed addition onto the equipment rack and using the dashboard in printed form. In the long term, we can see our project being used in all departments throughout the facility, as well as being implemented for training among new employees and upgraded to be in tablet form on the floor for use during production.
The implementation of our project starts with performing an initial dry run with workers and a survey. Secondly, inform all workers that a new safety and process document will be used and train them on effectively using it. Third, inform workers that equipment rack will have new additions added to it. And lastly, have clients start using the dashboard in its printed form.